In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla door not opening from outside. So let's get started. So first of all, guide yourselves onto this website, tesla.com/owner's manual, and select the car that you own. And then proceed to click on the language that you're more compatible with. Now, you'll be redirected to a page with a bunch of options to the left. Here, I want you to click on the opening and closing drop-down option and then click on doors. Here, you'll find a bunch of options about opening and closing the doors from either outside or using phones and basically all that kind of information. So I want you to have a good read at this, and if that helps you with your problem, that's great. If it doesn't, I do have more fixes to share with you. So first, check for basics issues. Before driving into advanced troubleshooting, start with the basics. Ensure the car is unlocked. Check the screen or Tesla app. Try opening the door using different handles to see if the issue is isolated. If using a keycard, make sure you're tapping it correctly near the sensor. Check for a frozen door handle because of cold weather, perhaps. In cold temperatures, Tesla's flush door handles can freeze. If your handle won't pop out, the quick fixes here would be to tap on the handle gently to break any ice buildup. Warm it up using your hand or a hair dryer on low heat. If the Tesla app, activate defrost mode to melt ice around the handles. For Model 3Y, try pressing the wider part of the handles while pulling. The next fix is to perform a soft reset. A software glitch might be preventing the handle from responding to reset. Hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 seconds, wait for the screen to turn off and restart. Try opening the door again. This refreshes the car's electronic system without affecting settings. The next fix is to manually release the door from the inside. If the handle is completely unresponsive, open the door from the inside. For Model 3Y, pull the manual release, the small lever near the window controls, and for Model S or X, tap controls, unlock doors on the screen, or use the Tesla app. And lastly, check for faulty door handle motor. Older models S and X vehicle use motorized handles that can fail over time. Signs of failure include handle doesn't present when pressed, no motor sound when unlocking the car, handle pops out but the door won't budge open. If this happens, Tesla might need to replace the handle's mechanism. Alright guys, that'll be it for this video. I hope it helps you guys out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.